more and more inside. What you are asking?
You said that it's like a dream.
It is a dream, tell me.
Because like it is actually happening. Because some say it's everything is in your mind. Like, but it is actually happening or what?
Yes, it is happening. It is happening.
But so what is our vision is improper of what is happening?
Yes. Basically, it totally depends. As I said, the moment we understand who we are, our identity, then automatically we can feel. Dream in awakened state doesn't mean that thing does not exist. Of course, if we say, why we say that thing does not exist? Because there is no life in it. We don't consider as matter as existing. We don't consider matter as existing. That's why when a person died, we put them in grave. The person is there. No, only body is there. It is matter.
No consciousness.
No consciousness, nothing is there. Then we don't give any importance to it. It doesn't mean that thing does not exist. It is there. But it is not useful or no more important for any kind of conscious entities. Understand? For jiva, what is the use of something which is matter? You know, jiva is different entity. It is from different world. Jiva is not from this world. Understand? So jiva is in this world right now, but actually jiva doesn't belong to this world. Itisti me anya prakritim vidhi me param jiva bhuta mahabaho ya idam dharaye jagat. So jiva is holding this world, all these made of this ashtatattva, that five gross and three subtle elements. This one jiva is holding, but actually jiva doesn't belong to this world. It belongs to the world of the Lord. It appeared from the marginal potency and it is supposed to go enter into that world where these things are not there, where there is no matter. Matter in contact with the spirit appears in different forms here. That's all.
That's why it is called
Yes.
dreaming.
So when you take out the spirit from the matter, then it is nothing. Understand? So that's why. So thing may appear to be existing, but it appears only because it is in contact with jiva. When jiva is not there, then it is also not there. So it is a dream.